What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you get notified. So, if you have been asking yourself, how many views do you need to get paid on Rumble? In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to understand about Rumble views and how much you actually need before you can get paid on Rumble platform. So basically, Rumble do not need any certain requirement before you can actually start making money on your Rumble account. So all you just need to do is just to make sure you upload videos on your Rumble account, and once you start getting views, you will start getting paid on your Rumble videos. And another thing, which of course I would also like you to get notes about on Rumble, is the fact that you have to make sure you try and upload as many video as you can in order to get massive views on your videos. And you can see these are the live categories that are available on Rumble platform, which of course you can upload a video on and start getting tons of views. So all these categories determine how many views are actually coming and how soon you can actually get your videos to make your video get paid, and how many views you can actually get on your video per se. So you can see these are the top live categories, just like news, trending news, podcast, a public can politician, then entertainment, live, education, music, entertainment, gaming, just chatting, and the likes like that. So if you are in the news niche, you are going to make lot of money due to the fact that there are a lot of views around that niche, which of course you can get those people to view your videos as fast as possible. So you can see something like that. You can also be able to pick a niche that you would like to go into if you have an idea about how you can actually make a video around that category. You are going to be able to make a lot of money on it. And you can also see some people that are going live on Rumble platform in order to make money on their Rumble account as fast as possible. There are different categories or different kind of content you can create on Rumble, just like some other video platform, which of course you can also use to make money. You can also record if you have a dog, if you have any kind of pets, you can make a record video about them, and you can then upload that video to Rumble in order to make money on the site. And for you to determine how much you are going to get paid, maybe per 1,000 views on your video, or maybe about 10,000 views on your video, it all depends on the kind of category you are into. Some category on Rumble are paying $2 for 1,000 views, and some are paying $5 per 1,000 views, and some are even lesser because how often you Rumble are able to put an ads on that kind of video. So how often YouTube Rumble are able to put ads on that kind of video. So it all depends on the kind of videos you are uploading to Rumble. And if you notice before, Rumble used to show how much like this example of this video, how much this video have made with over 200,000 views. And if you also scroll down, if you do your research very well, you're able to see how much Rumble is paying per 1,000 views on a certain videos. This is what is popular before, but I think now Rumble are trying to keep earnings private based on different kind of creators. And if you are a new creator, or if you check some certain categories, so let's try to check on the science category. So I think there are some that upload something like dogs. So let me search for dogs. um then let's see what pops up. Then let's see if Rumble will be able to show us how much each person are able to make on their videos. So let's see today. Let's check on today's video. This is 167 views. This is just 2 views. Let's check on this one. Let's see. Okay. This one is not showing how much they have paid, but then so far you have enabled the monetization on your video. Immediately you are uploading the video, you are going to be able to make money on that video. So it's now depend on the kind of category you are, because how much you are going to make on one of your video might be different from the other ones. due to the how much they are putting ads on that kind of video. So you can't actually determine how much you'll be able to make per 1,000 views on every of your video. But then as time goes on, you'll be able to see how much you Rumble will be able to be paying you if you are uploading video on a consistent. And to be uploading consistent video, you have to make sure you have enough content ideas. Just like you can see this kind of video, if you scroll up, you will see something like that again. You can see from another person, giggle flop. So let's try to check on this is toxic toxic side. If you also scroll down, you might also see that same video uploaded by another person. So some people are trying to just make money through other people's content. So it all depends. You can see this from Trend Care. So this same the same video, 10 minutes 50 seconds. This also 10 minutes 50 seconds. You can see 10 minutes 51 seconds. So it all depends on how you intend to make money on Rumble. But between you can see this is another one from Animals Fun. People are just going down on different kind of social media and copy someone else content and upload it to Rumble platform. And with this, Rumble might not be able to pay all those people because they cannot pay different people for the same kind of content. So you have to make sure you stand out and your content are unique on Rumble if you really want to make money from the platform. So if you have any other question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to reply to your request. Thank you. I will see you in the next one. Peace.